Welcome to Low Key PD. In this video, we're going to explore how to add shapes to your Google Jamboard frames. If you go to the toolbar on the left-hand side, right underneath the images icon, you'll see an icon with a shape in it. If you click on that, you'll get 8 different shapes that you can insert, either a circle, a square, which you will eventually be able to turn into a rectangle, a triangle, a diamond, rounded rectangle, half circle, bar, or an arrow. So let's just insert an arrow here. If I click and drag, I can determine the relative features and proportions of this arrow. So now I have this giant arrow object, and notice if I click on it, I have the ability to rotate it a little bit. I can enlarge it by clicking on the corners, or I can distort it, make it longer either top-wise or sideways by clicking on the different sprites. So if I want to make this wider up and down, I can do that as well. And again, if I click on the little snowman menu, I can duplicate that or delete it, or if there's more objects on the page, I can order it. But notice, because I have this shape now, I get some other options up here at the top. Right? The border for this arrow is currently black. What if I don't want it to be black? What if I want it to be red? And the fill for this arrow is currently white, and I have a couple of different options for this. If I want to fill it with a different color, I can do that. Or notice that one of the options here is to make this arrow transparent. And what that will do is, if there's an object behind this arrow, for example, an image that is at a lower layer level, the arrow will just allow the image to be seen through it. Right? So anything that would be able to be seen underneath it the arrow would be transparent, and you'd be able to see anything underneath it. Right? So there are some fun ways you can add shapes to your Google Jamboard frames, spice things up a little, add a little creativity.